Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and you may be asking yourself, well, Black Friday's over, what's the next period to buy something? So I'm going to introduce you to something called X13. X13 stands for the 13th month of the year. It's really kind of a marketing, develop promotion, but over the years it's become huge. It's a huge appliance week, and it's the period between Christmas and New Year's. So if you can't get in for the Black Friday promotions, and ours here ends on the 14th of December. If you can't get in by then and make your purchase, you want to come to the next biggest event, and that's X13, which is from the 26th through the 1st. That period right there, we're going to have a lot of good sales. So just so you know the way it works, the #1 holiday of the year, Black Friday. Everything else is considered a Tier 2 holiday compared to Black Friday, but a next Tier 2 holiday is the X13 period. So get on in here, make your plans, try to get in by Black Friday if you can, but the next one will be on December 26th and we'll be ready for you.